Hey, sophomores, it's Miss Dixon. I am sorry I'm getting this recording out late to you. I really want you guys to get in the habit. We just have a few weeks left, but get in the habit of listening to this because it really can give you some good information. Okay, I have B-Day slides up, but A-Day I'll go over what you've got going this week too. The only period that is effective differently this week is sixth period because of testing. So sixth period, you are going to be Tuesday for sure. You're going to be in the auditorium. You will have an assignment that you have to do. Okay, it's not just kind of, oh, we got a free day, whatever. You do have an assignment. So if you zoom in sixth period, you will have assignment that you need to do. You just don't need to log in on Tuesday. Thursday, I'm not 100% sure that that we're going to be in the auditorium again, but we very well may be in the auditorium again. Okay, so the difference is that sixth period, unfortunately, you're going to have your test next week instead of this week. So you're going to have two tests going on, but that's okay. You'll deal with it and it'll be all good. Okay, so let me go through it. So let me show you on the bigger slides before I get ahead of myself. These are my tutoring hours this week, you guys. Because of testing, I don't have mornings available. So Monday, except for Friday morning. So we have Tuesday, today, and tomorrow afternoon. Okay, and then Friday morning. Okay, so everybody except for sixth period will have their Ray Bradbury unit test this week. Either Monday, first period and second period, you've already had it. Seventh period, you will have that today, okay? Sixth period, you will start reading There Will Come Soft Rains. It's a story. Look on the slides. There is a recording of the story if you'd rather listen to that, okay? And read along with annotating the story. It is in Google Classroom under week 8. That's where the story is. So sixth period, you need to read that story today and annotate it. The rest of you guys, if you're B-Day, you will read it and annotate it probably at the end of today, seventh period, or you will read and annotate it on Thursday if you're Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay? So there'll be a journal entry. I just have to write it in. Okay? That will be Thursday. Wednesday, Friday classes, you guys are going to read and annotate, plus you're going to do questions, okay? So here is Tuesday. So we have Tuesday and then Thursday, right? So we're also going to be doing questions. I just have to still place that on there for you, okay? So sixth period, unfortunately, today we'll be in the library, in the auditorium. We're going to meet in the auditorium. More than likely, we're going to meet in the auditorium on Thursday as well. Today, you're going to read the story and annotate it. Thursday, you're going to not only read and annotate it, you're going to answer some questions from it, okay? That will prepare you for the test on it, okay? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, we already took the test. Wednesday, we'll read the story. Friday, we'll do the questions, okay? Seventh period, today you'll take your unit exam on Ray Bradbury. You will start the story today, and then on Thursday, you will finish reading the story and doing the questions, okay? So you guys, basically that's it. Pretty straightforward week. If you happen to be taking a test today, I wish you all the best, or anytime this week. And that would be Algebra 1 or Biology, okay? So you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.